What's going on, guys? I'm selling my car in a few hours. Now, if you're new, this is my 2015 BMW 335i with the AWE touring exhaust, VRSF downpipe, boot mode, stage 2 tune, and some other bolt-on parts. I have a lot of cool videos on this car. Go check them out on my channel if you haven't yet. I am friends with the person I'm selling it to, and he told me that since he's buying it soon, I need to stop driving the car hard so I don't accidentally damage it right before he picks it up. So I promised him that I would baby the car until I sold it to him, and now I'm going to go ahead and break that promise by doing a bunch of launches. So why did I decide to sell the car? It only has 62,000 miles on it. There's nothing wrong with it right now. No weird noises, no error codes, no rattles, no oil leaks. The car is in perfect condition, which some of you might be surprised if you've seen the way I drive the car. Well, I've had the car for nearly 3 years and I had a decision to make. Either continue modifying my car or sell it, buy a new one, and start all over again from scratch. And I decided that I'm gonna sell it and get a new car. And the reason is because I really want a B58 powered car. I think the B58 is a much better engine than the N55, although I do love my N55. But I'm planning on buying an F30 340i, and I want to make way more power with that car, do way more modifications with that one than I did with my 335i. And I did consider getting like an M2 or an M3 or maybe even the new M340i, but I started my channel doing F30 videos. I think a lot of you guys who are subscribed are here for the F30 videos, and I really like the F30 platform. There's a lot of aftermarket support for it, and I think they're good looking cars, so I'm gonna stick with the F30 for now. One small problem though, I can't start shopping for the 340i just yet. I'm actually in the process of buying a house right now. And if any of you guys have gone through that, you know that you can't go out and take out a car loan or finance a car, make any big purchases right before you close on a home and get your mortgage. So in the meantime, here is my brother's car. It's a 2011 335i tuned by MHD, VRSF catless downpipe, VRSF intercooler, charge pipe, 6-speed manual. And my brother has a YouTube channel too. It's called Rose City Car Culture. It's a lot different than my channel. You can go check it out. And in the meantime, I'm going to be making videos on his car. We have a few things we need to fix with it. This car has a lot more issues than my F30 had. But we plan on tuning it up and doing more modifications to this car for now. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. I have a lot of cool car videos planned.
Wow.